This Cajun glazed salmon is so good, they'll be begging you to reheat it in the office microwave. Today on Poor Choices, we're cooking up a delicious king salmon and glazing it down with Honey-Cajun spices and other goodness to make ourselves a really cool weeknight dinner. Starting out, we have got ourselves 2 king salmon fillets. You can use really any type of salmon you want. If you want to go with Atlantic, you're more than welcome to. I'm using the king salmon here just because it is fattier and fat is flavor, and it's also going to keep our salmon nice and juicy. So right now I'm just blotting off any of the moisture that was on here. I'm going to take skin side, I'm going to hit it with just a little bit of avocado oil. This will help keep our fish from sticking to our pan. Turn that over, hit this side with some avocado oil as well. For our Cajun seasoning, I am going with the Tiger Life shrimp and grit seasoning. You can use any Cajun seasoning that you want, but I highly recommend this one. But I do want to fortify the seasoning just a little bit, so I'm going to take about a good tablespoon's worth. We're gonna go in some smoked paprika because I want to get a little extra smokiness in here. And that was just half a teaspoon. And we're also gonna go in with a 1/4 of a teaspoon of dried thyme. Give that a little whisking. Then we'll take our seasoning and we're just gonna give these a nice good coating. Just on the flesh side, we don't need to do the skin, but make sure we get all the sides, pretty much anywhere that you're going to be biting. Next up, we're gonna make ourselves a nice little Cajun glaze here. So I'm gonna go in with what looks like about 3 tablespoons of honey. This doesn't have to be exact, that's probably more, but hey, I got some good honey. Shout out to Stephanie for sending this to me. Next, we're going in with about a tablespoon of some Creole mustard. So that's about a tablespoon right there. We need a tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Going back in with a teaspoon of our Tiger Life Cajun seasoning. I've got 1 clove of garlic here and I'm just gonna microplane it. The reason for that is because the more we agitate garlic, the stronger the flavor is gonna be. We're going half a teaspoon of some W sauce, couple dashes, or 1 large dash of Louisiana hot sauce. Going a 1/4 teaspoon of liquid smoke. Don't go too crazy on this. This is just to bring in, again, some more smoky elements. And then I've got a couple of tablespoons of unsalted butter. I'm just gonna melt these real fast. We'll just add that melted butter in. Give everything a lovely whisking till it's nice incorporated. All right, our salmon is seasoned and we've got our glaze here. Now we can move to the stovetop. I've got a cast iron pan here just set up for a medium-high heat. I've also got my broiler set to high, and I've got my rack about 4 to 6 inches away from that broiler element. Once our pan is nice and hot and smoky, we're gonna go in with our fish flesh side down, especially if you're using this grill pan like I am. We're gonna give it a little bit of pressure for just a couple of seconds, just to make sure it's making contact with all these ridges that I have here in this pan. And then we're just gonna let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes, undisturbed, and we'll flip it to the other side just to get that skin nice and crisp. I'm also gonna find some space to put down this lemon. This is just for presentation. It might impart a little bit of flavor into our fish. Pretty decent char. Again, it's just for presentation. Oh yeah, there we go. And we'll give this about 2 minutes as well to crisp up that skin. We're also at this time going to take our glaze and brush it on. Don't be shy with this stuff. I'm gonna kill the heat real quick and let that last minute just kind of finish with some residual heat because we are gonna pop this into the broiler. And right now we're getting all that sweet smell from the honey, the Cajun spices, the garlic, all that. It smells really amazing in here. I'm gonna hit it with 1 more dosage of our glaze. So under the broiler for 90 seconds. Don't walk away too far. This will happen very, very fast. So let's close it up. All right, 90 seconds under the broiler is all we needed. Look at that. While it's still hot, we're just gonna hit it with just a little bit more glaze. This would be delicious with a side of pasta or some buttered rice. As far as styling this goes, we're just gonna take some parsley, and I cheated, this is pre-chopped parsley. And I'll do something like this, I'll put a half of a lemon on there. Oh, we can't forget our charred lemon. That is it, my friends. An easy Cajun glazed salmon. Took all of like 10 minutes to make. It's a great way to take a weeknight dinner and elevate it to feel a little bit fancy. You ain't always gotta wait till the weekend to eat something good. You can have it on Wednesday. Hey, this is Poor Choices Kitchen. We have a Patreon link down in the description. $1 a month is all we ask for to pay for recipes in these here inflated times. Boy, are they getting even more inflated. But like I've been saying that every single week for the last however many years I've been doing this. Butter should not cost $7. And as far as a Poor Choice goes, nice glass of bourbon. You can't go wrong with it. Anytime I'm doing something Cajun-y, gotta have some bourbon to go with. This recipe is available at poorchoiceskitchen.com. Make sure you go check that out so you can have yourself a nice little companion while you make this dish.